Hi to everyone. Now I'm going to create a drop-down menu using CSS in ASP.NET like this. Menus on mouse over the drop-down list should display. Let's check how I'm going to create. First, I'm going to create a div tag in now like this one. Just I'm giving a ID as now. In that, I'm going to create another list, the few list types, list items I'm going to create in that anchor tag href. Anchor tag has first giving a home and one more list item is href home about. Then another one list item is which is going to drop a submenus in this. I'm going to give a products which is in another list. The drop down menu is going to drop in this. Just I'm going to create another list. In that list, another list, the list types which should be display anchor tag href. The link should be display as I'm giving mobile and list item anchor tag mobile laptop whatever you can give. I'm just giving a laptop mobile and one more last list item is href. Last list item is computer. This list item should display on mouse overing the products, and another one list item which is giving in this is href contact. Last that contact. Just save this one and going to run. When it is run, it should display like this. I'm going to give effects, CSS effects for this one, and I'm going to create a CSS effect in the style sheet. Like first I have given the nav ID, so just calling nav ID. In nav ID, just giving a margin equal to 0 pixel. In nav ID, I have mentioned another list. For another list, how it should be display padding should be 0, and the list style should be none. Okay, then in nav ID, another list, the list type should be how it should display. That means it should float left, and text line should be in center, and width should be 120 pixels approximately. However, you can mention it and giving a margin as 1 pixel. Okay, then let's see there how it's appear. Just run this one. Yeah, I got it. That's home, about, products, contact, and the mobile. It should not display in this one. So I'm going to give now ul the list order, and in this link how should it display. I'm just giving color as fff, which is white color, and text decoration it has the underline, so I'm going to remove the underline. Text decoration include none. And font family I'm going to call is Calibri, which look pretty nice. And then font family background, I'm setting a background for this as 0A0. It should like a green color on display. It should has to be display block, which is inherent with a list, no. So I'm giving just a display block, and then padding, and setting the padding for anchor tag, padding for 10 pixel as I not semicolon, and just going to run now. Yeah, I got this one. Home about when over on the list item, it should change the background color or the text color. So I'm just giving an over effect in the nav ID UL list in another list item it on over how it should appear. I'm going to set the background color should change on 0E0, which is light to that color, which is light to this color, and color should be text color should be changed to black, which is in white. I have given white, so now on over the color should be black. uh, it is dark green when on over the background color should change as a light color. Let's check this one. When it is over, the color should change and the text color also change. Yeah, I got this one. Now I'm going to hide this drop down menus. When I mouse overing the products, it should appear. So I'm just calling the CSS as nav ul li in another list where which is there. Yeah, when nav id and ul in li there is a ul, so I'm going to just display none. ul li ul should be display none. Just to check out this one, I'm going to run this. It should not come. Yeah, it is not appearing. When on mouse overing the products, it should display that submenus. So I'm just calling as ULLI on mouse overing the list which is in there. No products. When mouse overing the products, the UL should be displayed as a submenu. So I'm just calling list overing. The UL should be display block. Yeah, just going and running this on mouse overing the products. Yeah, the submenus has been listed display. That's it. If you want to arrange in center, just give the nav tag has width 500 pixel and give the margin as auto, and when it is run it should be in center. It is going to be look pretty nice. If you are like, just share this video and comment and subscribe. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed. We will see you on next tutorial.